Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Your math teacher Mrs. Shmaila Asif here. Students, today we are going to learn topic shapes. Many things you can see around you with different shapes. So let's discuss about 2D and 3D shapes. You will write the names of 2D and 3D shapes in notebook and you have to solve book page number 4 as homework. So let's start now. What are 2D shapes? 2D shapes has two-dimensional. It has two measurement, length and width. This is a board and here we measure the length in this way and measure the width in this way. And we can draw 2D shapes on flat surface like as paper. And I know all of you can draw circle, square, triangle, rectangle. Yes, these all shapes are called 2D shapes. What are 3D shapes? 3D shapes mean three-dimensional shapes. It has three measurement, length, width and height. Look at it, this room. We can measure the length in this way. We can measure the width of this room and we can measure the height of this room in this way. Okay, and here there are some names of 3D shapes and we will learn about one by one these shapes. Read name, sphere, cube, cuboid, cone and cylinder. These are called 3D shapes. Yes, students, I know all of you the name of this shape. This is a square. It is 2D shape. It has four equal sides and it has four corners. Let's count with me. First side. One side, two, three and four. Okay, now let's count with me corners. One, two, three, four. It has four corners. Let's have some examples. Yes, this is pizza box. Yes, it is similar to square shape. This is a cushion and there are some biscuits in square shape. Next shape is cube and it is 3D shape. It has 6 faces. Students, do you know in cube there are 6 squares are hidden. Let's count with me the number of squares. It is called 6 faces. Okay, it has 8 corners. We can feel the corners, we can touch the shapes of squares here. That's why it is called 3D shape. Okay, let's count with me the faces of square here. How many it has? Number 1, front side. Number 2, back side. Number 3, right side. Number 4, left side. Number 5, top side. And number 6, bottom side. Next, let's count the number of corners. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 corners. Okay, here we have some examples of 3D shapes. Yes, these are dice. Yes, we use in Ludo. Yes, you can feel the texture of this shape and how many squares are there. Count it. Okay. Next we have a gift box. Yes, open gift box and here you can see gift for you. I hope all of you have understood. Next shape is triangle. It is 2D shape. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. Count with me number of sides. 1 side, 2 and 3. It has 3 corners. Corner 1, 2 and 3. And here we have some examples. Yes, you can see a slice of pizza. Here we have a slice of watermelon. Next shape is cone. It has two faces. Number one, flat face. Number two, curved face. And it has one corner. Here we have some example like ice cream. Yes. Number two, your birthday cake. This is a circle. It is called 2D shape because we can draw only circle on paper. It is round in shape. It has no any corner. Okay. Here we have example like a pizza. It is round in shape. This is a wall clock. It is round in shape. And this is a donut because it is also round in shape like circle. Next shape is sphere. It is look like a circle, but circle only you can draw. That's why it is called 2D shape. But in 3D shapes, we can hold the ball. Yes, we can feel the texture of this ball. It has one curve and there is no any corner. And here we have an example of ball and an orange. Next shape is rectangle, and all of you know you can draw the shape of rectangle on paper. It has two opposite sides are equal. So let's count with me, one side and two sides. And these two sides are equal, and now up and down, let's see one and two. Yes, these two opposite sides are equal. And it has also four corners. Count with me, corners one, two, three, four. Yes, and here we have an example of board. It has two opposite sides are equal. Next, this is a door. Yes, you can see top and bottoms are equal, right and left sides are equal. Next shape is cuboid. It is also called 3D shape. It looks like a rectangle. Cuboid is a stretched cube. It has also 6 faces and 8 corners like a cube. Let's count with me. One face, front side, back side 2, right side 3, left side 4, 5 top and 6 bottom. Now let's count corners with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 corners, and here we have example of bricks. Yes, it is look like a box cuboid. Okay, and here it is example of cuboid. There is a book and a tissue box. Next shape is cylinder. It is called 3D shape. It has three faces. Number one, it is flat surface top. Now bottom, yes, it is also have flat surface. And here one curved face. Number three, okay, and there it has no any corner. And here we have example. Yes, there is a candle and a Pepsi can. Students, there are more new two shapes. Yes, pentagon and hexagon. Penta means five. It has five sides. One, two, three, four, and five. It has five corners. One, two, three, four, and five. Keep remember penta means five. Next shape is hexagon. Hexa means six. It has six sides. One, two, three, four, five, six. It has six corners. One, two, three, four, five, six. Students, draw on paper. Five sides pentagon. Six sides has hexagon. Keep remember. Students, now open Maths notebook. Draw margin line on two pages. Write date and day. Write date May 30, 2021 and write day today is Sunday and topic is shapes. Write question on one page. Write the name of 2D shapes and next page write the name of 3D shapes. Names are written here. Note down in your Maths notebook. Draw and color them. See you in Zoom class. Take care till then. Allah Hafiz.